What's up guys? Today I'm gonna show you how to replace your sway bar bushings. So as you can see, this is the new bushing. First of all, you need to take out your wheel, obviously, and then you're gonna search in this area. As you can see, this is the old bushing. You need a 12 millimeter wrench to take out those bolts. So first of all, you need to take out this link of the sway bar. You're gonna need a 14 millimeter wrench. So as you can see, I unbolt the first bolt from here, from this position, and to take the second bolt out, you need to go around here. You can see down here, and then you're gonna see this hole right here, and from this hole you can see your bushing bracket. So from there you are going to unbolt your second bolt, your second 12 millimeter bolt. So as you can see, I take out already the bushing, and for doing that you need to take like this your bracket bushing. Then to take out your bushing, you need to open it like this, as you can see, like this. So here's the old bushing and the new one. As you can see, the old one is more deteriorated than the new one, and this is why you need to change your sway bar bushings. So before doing everything else, you need to cut this by the side as the old one, and put grease inside your bushing, your new bushing, and then put it right here where it's supposed to go with your bracket. So as you can see here, I'm gonna put this silicone paste inside the new bushing, because it have to be with lubrication. Then you simply gonna open your bushing like the old one and put it right there. So as you can see, I put it right there, and I put the link, the sway bar link. You can see the both sides are the same. So as you can see here, I have both of the bushing links. I hope you like this video. I hope it was functional for you, and subscribe and like.